doon sa House hearing, hindi po kayo naimbitahan sa flood control probe. Ano pong reaction nyo? Or gusto nyo bang mag-testify doon?
Mayor Magalong was challenged by the lower house to name those involved in the alleged huge kickbacks in the flood control projects. But it seems the House became hesitant to invite him, perhaps worried that he might reveal something that could stir the waters and possibly point to their own involvement.
Well, in fact, meron nagsabi sa akin na may invitation na yung Senate sa akin. But if you talk about my preference, I would rather appear sa lower house. Kasi nga, doon nga yung gera eh. O doon tayo pupunta sa may gera. And at the same time, doon naman sa Senate, with all due respect, gusto ko lang na magbigay galang sa kanila. But sana maintindihan nila na kung pwede sana, doon muna ako mauna sa camera.
Okay. Bakit sir? Ganun ang gusto nyo sa House? Are you ready to hearing?
Siguro, hindi ko muna sagutin yan, ano? Buti na lang siguro. Basta ang sagot ko lang dyan is, kung saan yung battlefield, doon tayo.
Right. Sir, pero how prepared are you about this?
Siguro malalaman nyo na lang pag
Oo. Pero, how many people are we talking?
hintayin na lang natin siguro kung ano yung nangyayari.